Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2018, on an 18 plate Suzuki Celerio SZ4 Automatic. A rare small auto. We do manage to find them somehow. April 2018 registered, finished in Cerulean Blue Metallic, and it has covered just 9,000 miles. So have a good walk around to this lovely looking Celerio SZ4, 1 litre petrol, automatic gearbox. Good service history, 3 recorded, so despite the very low mileage, really well maintained throughout its life. We got these nice little 14-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with the silver and black, and obviously the metallic cerulean blue is a really lovely colour. Just ticked over 9,000 miles. As with all cars of this age, road tax is £180 a year. Fuel consumption, Suzuki say you'll get over 60 miles to the gallon on a combined run. And sensible insurance group as well, so really economical little car to run day to day. And if you are after a small auto, there's fairly limited options, but this is a good one. We've sold plenty of these. Despite being a small Suzuki, you do get a slightly raised seating position, so you are a little bit higher up off the ground, as you can see. So that does help with access and of course visibility. Inside's lovely, as you'd expect from a car with 9,000 miles, really straight and tidy. You do get remote central locking, and it does come supplied with 2 keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors. Has got its carpet mats which run throughout. Manual handbrake. You've got a cup holder at the back, 2 more cup holders at the front. There's your auto gearbox, so you've got reverse, neutral, drive, and then you can knock it across and do it in a sort of manual mode. So you can knock it down to go up a gear and vice versa. USB input, 12 volt socket. Air conditioning as we make our way up. And then above that again, you've got radio CD. You've also got DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone as well. So all the creature comforts that you could need on a car of this nature. Handbooks in the glove box. I'll just start the car up so you can see the mileage. We've just fitted a brand new battery to it as well, that comes with a 3-year warranty, so new battery on there. Just obviously the car hasn't done a great deal of mileage, so that's been done. 9,191 is the exact mileage, plenty of fuel in there as well. There's your DAB. Obviously being Japanese will no doubt be reliable. Into the back. Again, you've got your carpet mats, electric windows in the back as well. And you do get 3 proper headrests with 3 seat belts and the ISOFIX. So very much a 5-seater. Because it's quite a boxy shape, you get plenty of headroom as well, and again, very straight and tidy. Round to the load space. Split folding rear seats. Parcel shelf at the top, and then, to be fair, pretty good sized boot. In the small tax bracket, in the small car bracket, not a bad boot space at all. And underneath you do get inflation kit, compressor. There is room for a space saver spare in there as well, I think, and if you did want to sort that, we could probably arrange that for you. And there we have it, not much more to say. April 2018 Suzuki Celerio SZ4 Automatic, 9,000 miles, good service history. 60 miles to the gallon. Finance is available from £211 a month based on a 10% deposit. and the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance group, specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Nice price range, small automatic. This will be snapped up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.